We are fishing. That's the ocean. It's the Pacific Ocean there. And that's my line right there. You can't see that. And that's Faith over there. That's Nathan. What? What'd you say, Nathan? For what? I've got it hooked on. Say hi, Faith. And then, whoa. This is the Pacific Ocean. There's the thingy. We'll be back. Alright, so I'm Eric. And that's
what's up? Nathan, aka Dumbass.
AKA Dumbass. We're out here in the Pacific Ocean.
It's like Pacific, but...
It's the Pacific Ocean.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we are here in this beautiful city called Long Beach, or the LBC. And like you see Nathan here, we are fishing. We haven't caught anything. We've been here for a few hours.
We did see a seal.
We saw a seal, and you'll see it in a few minutes.
And I was feeding it earlier.
He was feeding it some of the squid that we have.
Oh shit!
Nathan's got something.
Yeah, I was thinking that means I caught a fish on camera.
Oh look, he's got something. He's got something. What is it? What is it?
Shit! I didn't even know it was on water.
Yeah.
My bait. That looks like a full squid.
That's its bait right there. It's pretty much a whoa, careful there. Careful there. That's
it's flat.
Come on, you're acting like my camera's waterproof. Oh wait, it is.
Hey, let's give it an experience.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
No, just don't even just like cast it, just like lower it in like carefully.
What if we lose it?
We'll tie it on it.
So we're out here and there's a seal right there somewhere. There he is, right there. We're gonna feed him. Probably not supposed to, but we're gonna feed him anyway.
Yeah, he is.
Feed him again. Feed him again. That's what he's waiting for. There he is, right there. Give him one more piece on my behalf. I just got my milkshake. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. They're like, it's better than yours. And I'm like, you wish it was. My milkshake something, something, something. Her milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. And they're like, it's better than yours. And I'm like, you wish, ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Do that again. His milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. And they're like, it's better than... His milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and that was just really wrong.
I got no milkshake.
Whoa, I made my camera shake. You zoom tight.
We're gonna get paper.
Tired.
Paper
Mop
bags.
boy. Random guy. Ashley. who the hell that is.
Did I get it?
It's too dark in here.
Paper hat. Oh, hell no.
We just saw Marty McFly run out, chasing George right out the door. We're now in the highest point of Long Beach, also called Signal Hill.
Show him the signal.
That's why it's called Signal Hill, because of those antennas up there.
Cause I get some signals like, what's up, bitch?
No offense, but all we see is the hat.
You know what? I believe it.
Wait, stand next to the light.
Oh, it's because she's black, isn't it?
That's who we were talking to. Now you can see her.
It's hard being black sometimes. That's why we rob so much, because we can get away at night.
And then you can't see them either. You can't see Faith. Yeah, that's...
Okay, fine.
That's
I'll
a
introduce
light.
myself down here. My name is Mario, and this is my first time being up in Signal Hill. It's pretty cool.
You've never been up here?
Nope. That's right.
Hi, I'm Ashley. Obviously, I'm even wider now, but this is like my 5th time being here.
She's a token white
This
girl.
is like my 3rd time.
This is like my 4,000th time being here today.
As men